Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times. I actually lost my annotations. Something happened with the software, but anyways, that's okay. We'll just make do with right now. But overall, the moral of the story here is that the price has come back to life here. To think that not that long ago, the price was at these lows, and all of a sudden it's all the way up to there. So the bulls certainly showed some signs of life today. So the main and initial area of resistance is coming from this former area of support. So you can see right here, up around the 310 mark, that had done a great job of acting as support. But then this is where just foundational rules come into play. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So right there is going to be that newest area, and not necessarily newest area, but the near-term level of resistance right there at $3.10. Again, that former area of support. But given the price is definitely within striking distance, in the event the price pushes up through there and can break through it, the next key overall area of support to keep an eye on would be right up there at about $3.18. So 310 and then 317, next couple areas as far as resistances are concerned. As far as support, the ideal level that you would want to see the price stay up above is going to be, let's see, what is that? 297. Why is 297 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur at all, but let's just say that the price were to come down here and then break down below it and continue on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, you'd have the price right back to this range of the chart where it just was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could pull back here, so pull back here, do something like this, and then work its way upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time goes by. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 297. So overall, nice movement, nice recovery. Things were starting to look pretty shaky, but the bulls are definitely flexing their muscles here a little bit. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.